If z is 2% of 85, what is 2% of z? To solve, break the problem into pieces. The first part says that z is 2% of 85. Let's translate this to percent of 85. So, we can rewrite this to z is equals to 2 over 100 multiplied by 85. Now let's solve for z. Z is 2 over 100 multiplied by 85. Simplifying this, we get 1 over 50 multiplied by 85, which is also 85 over 50. 85 over 50 in its simplest form is 17 over 10. Now we know z is equals to 17 over 10. The second part asks, what is 2% of z? Let's translate. We can express this second part as x equals to 2 over 100 multiplied by z. Now let's solve for x when we know that z is equals to 17 over 10. X is equals to 2 over 100 multiplied by z. By plugging in the value of z, x is equals to 2 over 100 multiplied by 17 over 10. This is equals to 34 over 1000, which is also equals to 0.034. Therefore, 0.034 is 2% of z. Did you manage to figure? Don't forget to like and subscribe.